The Honda Wave 110i and 125i are two of the most trusted and widely used motorcycles across Southeast Asia, and for very good reason. These models combine legendary Honda reliability with practical design, low running costs, and everyday usability that make them perfect for both new riders and longtime commuters. Whether you're using it for quick city commutes, food delivery, or simply running errands, the Wave 110i and 125i have proven themselves time and again as champions of convenience, economy, and durability. In a world filled with complicated tech and expensive maintenance, the Wave series reminds us that simplicity done right never goes out of style. Starting with the heart of the machine, the Wave 110i is powered by a 109.5cc air-cooled, 4-stroke engine that features Honda's PGM-FI, programmed fuel injection system. This system ensures not only fuel efficiency but also low emissions and smooth throttle response, especially useful in stop-and-go traffic. The Wave 125i takes it up a notch with a 124.9cc engine, giving riders more torque and quicker acceleration without sacrificing the fuel efficiency Honda is known for. Both models have engines that are extremely low maintenance and offer long-term reliability, often lasting over a decade with just basic care. For anyone looking for a workhorse that starts every morning without complaint, the Wave fits the bill. One of the strongest selling points of both the Wave 110i and 125i is their fuel economy. Thanks to Honda's engineering and lightweight design, these bikes can deliver up to 60 to 70 km per liter depending on road conditions and riding style. That kind of efficiency makes a big difference for people who ride every day, especially in regions where fuel prices fluctuate often. And with a 3.7-liter fuel tank, you're not going to be stopping at the gas station every day, which adds to the convenience. Honda's reputation for building fuel-efficient engines isn't just hype, it's the reason why the Wave series continues to dominate urban roads around the world. Beyond fuel economy, the Wave series offers solid performance and comfort for its size and class. Both versions come equipped with a semi-automatic transmission, which means you still get to shift gears but without the need for a manual clutch. It's a great setup for beginners or anyone who wants an easygoing ride. The suspension is designed to handle daily bumps and potholes with ease, and even with a passenger or some light cargo, the ride remains stable and smooth. While it's not a highway cruiser, the Wave holds its own in urban traffic and on suburban streets. It's agile, light, and easy to maneuver, ideal qualities for riders in busy cities. When it comes to design, Honda keeps things simple yet modern. The Wave 110i and 125i both feature LED headlights for improved visibility, sleek fairing for a sportier look, and ergonomic seating that allows for long rides without fatigue. Under-seat storage is generous enough to hold a half-face helmet or other daily essentials like a raincoat, gloves, or tools. This is a crucial feature for riders who depend on their bikes for work or errands. The instrumentation is basic but clear. Analog speedometer, fuel gauge, and indicator lights get the job done without unnecessary distractions. Durability is another area where the Honda Wave shines. Built with a strong steel frame, high-quality plastics, and components that resist wear, these bikes are made to withstand years of daily use, rain or shine. Whether you're riding through crowded city streets or rural roads, the Wave doesn't break down easily. And in the rare cases when you do need service, parts are affordable and widely available. In countries where motorcycles are essential transportation tools, mechanics are familiar with the Wave and can perform quick, low-cost repairs without needing a fancy garage or imported tools. Safety is also addressed with drum or disc brakes depending on the variant, and tires that provide decent grip on both wet and dry roads. For most daily riders, especially those who ride at moderate speeds and carry small loads, the braking system is more than adequate. Honda also includes a secure ignition lock system and chain guard for added protection and rider peace of mind. These small but thoughtful touches go a long way in ensuring a worry-free ownership experience. Another factor that sets the Honda Wave apart is its affordability, not just in purchase price but in overall cost of ownership. Both the 110i and 125i are competitively priced within their segments, making them accessible for a wide range of riders, from students to professionals. Registration fees, insurance costs, and taxes are all relatively low thanks to the Wave's engine size and eco-friendly profile. Over the years, this affordability has helped build a loyal community of Honda Wave owners who swear by the bike's unmatched balance of price and performance. If you're someone who relies heavily on your motorcycle for work, like delivery drivers, small business owners, or ride-hailing riders, the Honda Wave becomes more than just a vehicle, it becomes a trusted tool of your trade. Its resilience, ease of repair, and day-in, day-out performance make it ideal for the hustle of urban economies. For families, it's a reliable second vehicle. For students, it's a budget-friendly means of getting to class. For retirees, it's a low-maintenance companion for short errands. Simply put, the Wave meets a wide range of transportation needs without demanding much in return. For those trying to choose between the 110i and the 125i, the decision often comes down to your specific usage. If you're mainly using the bike in flat urban areas for light commuting, the Wave 110i is more than enough. It's cheaper, even more fuel efficient, and just as reliable. On the other hand, if you often carry a passenger, ride uphill routes, or want a bit more power without sacrificing efficiency, the Wave 125i is the way to go. You'll appreciate the added torque, especially when accelerating from a stop or overtaking. In a motorcycle market that's constantly evolving with high-tech features, touchscreen dashboards, and hefty price tags, the Honda Wave remains a breath of fresh air. It doesn't try to be flashy, it just works. That quiet reliability has earned it a massive following and makes it a practical choice even in 2025 and beyond. For those who believe in value, longevity, and practicality over gimmicks, the Wave continues to be a clear winner. So whether you're a first-time buyer looking for your first motorbike or a seasoned rider who needs a no-nonsense machine for everyday use, the Honda Wave 110i and 125i are worth every penny. They represent Honda's commitment to quality, economy, and purpose-driven design. These bikes aren't just built for the road, they're built for real life. From school runs to side hustles, from market trips to weekend rides, the Honda Wave keeps rolling with no drama, no fuss, just dependable performance, every single day.